Yes, my name is Anthony Kulesza. I am a director reporting into our Strategic Portfolio Management and Finance Transformation Department. I've been with Blue Shield for 7 years now, so I'm hoping this year will be lucky number 7. Well, our team supports 3 programs which give us insight to projects all across our enterprise, and we get to support those projects through multiple lenses. Through our strategic portfolio, we manage several portfolios within our group that support our enterprise prime strategies. A few examples, we support our process transformation portfolio. A few of the initiatives that I think we can relate to there, we're really trying to move to a real-time claims adjudication. We're trying to automate our employee enrollment process. We're also looking at expanding and transforming how we provide digital communications, et cetera. So really focused on back office type efficiencies in our customer experience. Related to some of the other portfolios that we manage, we also manage, for example, our mandates portfolio. So as an organization, we support projects there that are necessary in order to keep us within compliance, to make sure we meet our regulatory needs as an organization. So different portfolios, different audiences, different strategy, but ultimately all coming back to support our Blue Shield of California mission. Within the strategic portfolio, the lens we wear is more from a governance perspective. So we support our PMOs, our project management office, and as they execute and deliver on the projects, we support from more of an oversight, governance, financial perspective. We support the teams through their financial processes, forecasting, as well as the accounting treatments, whether it be reclassing accruals, managing depreciation, ongoing benefits, et cetera. We also partner with our business planners as we intake new projects into the portfolio, as well as partnering with our senior leaders and business owners as we adhere to the budgets and make those trade-off decisions, supporting those portfolios, maintaining within our financial budgets. Now, one of the other programs where we get to act from a slightly different lens is our finance transformation program, which is exciting because under this program, we get to act as the project managers and deliver on those projects. So we partner with business stakeholders across our finance organization to lead end-to-end optimization initiatives, typically spanning around the 6-month period, under a year, and meant to really reinforce the culture of continuous improvement across the org. So very exciting within our team that we get to experience many functions, many pockets and aspects of the organization, and then also through different lenses to really create a well-rounded experience in our team, and to be able to integrate those experiences and tie in strategically so there aren't any gaps, and we're really making sure we're all moving forward in the unified direction to achieve our mission. I think first and foremost is our Blue Shield of California mission, our mission to provide high quality, affordable health care to all Californians. I think that's really the root, and that in itself, to have that as your mission, your North Star, which all of our activities and efforts refer back to, then that really instills the values, attracts the talent that model those values and behaviors. And then that spans into our day-to-day operations, the benefits, the support of our employees, and all of the downstream implications of having that as your mission. I think by having such a solid mission statement, I think that really creates the people around you that want to achieve that mission. It creates a rewarding experience to be able to know that work you're putting in, that effort you're putting in, impacts those around you and impacts them according to their, basic and critical healthcare needs. So I think who we work with is really what makes it a great place to work. I think everyone's modeling those values. I know our team itself is really trying to model a high-performing team, and we are constantly sharing information within the group, trying to lift each other up, support each other, especially, I think, during the times of COVID and COVID response. That's more critical than ever, and to also tie into how the organization supports that by providing programs to support that, some flexibility benefits as well. And then also the opportunities it provides as well through employee resource groups, the ability to give back to the community, as well as the opportunities to advance along your career path. We definitely encourage internal career development and movement within the teams. I think I'm a shining example of that occurring. I've been through several transitions, and I've been able to be promoted through the analyst ranks, through the manager job level rankings, to a director position currently as well. So it does provide a lot of opportunity. Of course, challenges, but the challenges are the opportunity for yourself to grow and succeed. And I think we really model that across all facets and all levels across the organization. I mean, that's a great question, and that's really, why I actually at one point, as I mentioned, the transitions, I relinquished some of my team and took the opportunity to build up new teams for our transformation team, as well as our Oracle Center of Excellence. So the opportunity to be able to grow and build and create your own and achieve your own vision, and just by the nature alone of transformation, that we get to partner with many different business functions, that exposure, and most importantly, to build those relationships, which are critical to achieving success in any corporate environment. We've actually partnered with our Great Place to Work committee because, one, you can, again, through all lenses, be involved more from the introductory exposure, if you want to be an analyst or participate within a project, you're gaining exposure. But then we also have the ability for you to step up and lead a project. And of course, all different engagements along the way. And you may find as part of that process that, maybe I don't want to lead initiatives. Maybe I find a pocket of the finance functions or accounting functions that I'm really interested in, and we'll support that movement as well to make sure that you find the best fit within the organization and what aligns to your career path. So with those opportunities come the ability to deliver on strategic projects, and then that creates, of course, then the career development opportunities that come along with that to move from. We've had on our team recently, in one of the positions we're trying to hire is an individual contributor that in their career path they wanted to move to a people manager position. We're able to make that happen, and now we're hiring for that position as well and growing the portfolios that we provide. So really that growth on all levels. Our team just recently, as a whole, just participated in Agile training and certification in January. So we're all going through that. So again, really the development from a skills development, leadership development, business acumen, technical systems. I think we cover all of the bases in really a unique position in the organization that has a lot of flexibility to move around and support these programs and gain that exposure. So I think that really creates the opportunity in itself.